So in our last video, I started going through and double checking my work with over here on the Jami Gold Romance Beat Sheet Excel file. And one of the things I noticed is I actually missed the pinch point number 1. So let's come back here into the Plottr file. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to add that right in here. So notice I just put a space in there, and now I'm going to have the pinch point, oops, make sure I type that correctly, pinch point number 1. So we want to make sure that we actually have everything in here. Now, personally, for my own ease, I like to make sure that I transfer everything from the Excel file over to Plottr, just because it's going to make my life easier. So I'm going to click over here and I'm going to click on the first one, and it's going to open it up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the Excel file, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this information. I'm also going to start with this Act 1 information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with Act 1 starts here, just so I know. And then I'm just going to paste it in. All I did was hit Control V so I could paste it in here. And then I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to take that information on the opening hook, and I'm going to come right back here into Plottr, and I'm going to click paste. And of course, I just add punctuation. That way, when I actually am in here, I can just hover over it. And what's going to happen is it's going to show me what needs to be in that specific beat. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go through and add all of this information to all the other beats. But I'm not going to sit here and waste your time watching me do that over and over again. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm just going to pause. And once I have that all up and running, I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so I've gone ahead and updated all the stuff in the introduction so I can scroll over it, and I know about what's going to go in those first 3 beats. Now, one thing I like to do is I like to actually color them. So I'm going to use a nice light green. I'm going to come down here. There we go. We'll go with that green for the stuff that's going to be in the Act 1. So I'm going to, again, I like nice green. We're going to color that, and then what I'll do is I'll actually color, Act 2 a yellow color, and then I'll do like Act 3 a nice red color. Again, it's just going to make it so that it's easier to see when I'm looking across, and I'll see this. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of these colored, and then once I do, I'll be back and we can go forward from there.